and how do we go forward in life and move towards the ideal we'd like to. And knowing a thing or two about quantum physics, I've written some books in the subject. I know from my studies that, and it's been shown from very interesting experiments, that the future actually can impact the present. I mean, and as quantum physics and as mystics and many people realize now that their time, even though we live in a linear time of past, present, and future, when we go beyond the three-dimensional, four-dimensional space-time continuum and enter into the realm of universal mind or consciousness, that time becomes kind of a blend of past, present, and future, a much more interesting realm. And so anyway, so if we realize the future can impact the present, why don't we future life progress and learn the art of self-mastery?
It's a cool concept, because you can't have now without the future and the past. It's all part of the whole, right? So
yeah,
what the shamanic journey does is they can be guided or not, and it has a very steady rhythm. Do you hear an echo from that? Or maybe it's okay.
Oh, that sounds good.
Okay, so you have a very steady rhythm drum beat, and then what that does for the participant is it gives the conscious mind something to focus on, which is the beat of the drum, and allows the subconscious mind to come forth and communicate in ways that it doesn't otherwise have the opening typically to do. And so what we would do, what I'm planning for this workshop, is to go journey to our future selves, and so we can experience it in a different way, as well as communicate with that self.
What you're talking about, that shamanic journey, that drum beat, is really, in a way, puts people in a little bit of a trance state, would you say? And I think part of this future life progression and how it differs from past life regression is that what we're looking to do as people get into that trance state is get beyond their story, because it's that story. When I say, like, psychologists will always know that the past predicts the present, it's because most people live in that story, that narrative that they tell themselves, and then they sabotage themselves and stay in the comfort zones, just continue doing the same old, and then there's never any mastery of life. But when we get beyond ourselves, enter that quantum field with that trance state, with that shamanic journey, we can really enter into that future realm and enter into where we can go and bring that to our life in the present, and open up beyond the story, open up beyond what it holds us back.
Yeah.